Hi everyone, it's Robin and I'm here with Compassionista and we are going to be doing a black beautiful design on a French, perfect for summer and or anytime. Also, it will be in my wedding playlist, maybe elegant playlist, maybe flower playlist, but you can always search black and white floral. My shop is full of dogs and girls. Everybody say hi. Hi. Okay. And we are going to start. So I've started this design with a French pink. I believe it's by Dazzle Dry. You had me at first hello, and just a white Wet n Wild base tip. And it doesn't have to be perfect. If you see, I've gone up on one side here, and just in general, you don't have to have this perfect. So let me zoom in. All right, let's get started here. All I have is black paint, and you get that at the craft store. I have it on a tile right there. I haven't even thinned it down, and my dog is really happy, so sorry you guys. And the brush I'm using is the wand, and you get that at robinmosesnailart.com. So, I'm starting here. Can someone pet Carl? He's gonna take over the whole tutorial. Okay, Carl, my gosh!
Breathing on my back.
If you could see his, I know. If you guys could see his face, he's looking at me like with 1,000 smiles. There we go. Yes.
There you go.
Okay, so maybe you guys can hear me now. Hi, everyone. So I'm going in, and you can do 3 or 4, 5 prong flowers. Those will all be in my beginner playlist. And then filigree, and then put some leaves. And push and pull up, and then I'll add accordingly. And this is basically what it's going to look like that. And then I will add little dots here and there to finish this design. Like sometimes if you have too much black on one or not enough black on one, you can add dots to give yourself a more uniform ending. At the end, it'll be more uniform instead of having one that's real highly black and then one with a lot of French showing. So I'm going in with the black. I have my brush about halfway full. You don't want the paint up in the neck of the brush, or it'll make the bristles brittle and they will break. And how I clean my brush is in the FAQ playlist. And anybody writing comments that has a question, if anybody can answer questions, that would be awesome. So I'm pushing, and here we go. So my brush is half full. You push and pull up, and you get a point. Then with the top of your brush, you just barely go up, and you can push and pull back. This takes practice, and you're not going to get this right away. This is a very frustrating design for beginners, but once you get it, nobody can ever take it back from you, and you can charge for it at your shop and make extra money for something that costs nothing to start. So all you need is your practice, and you can do really well. So that's what I'm trying to teach. So spread the word if you know somebody who's just getting started and is frustrated, because that's what I'm here for. And I have about 170 different flower tutorials in my flower playlist if you can't get it, if I haven't described it too well in this one, because this is off the cuff. I wasn't even going to film. But because it was so pretty on the other hand, I was like, well, let me start this camera. So I want to show you. So here it is. I'm going to back up like that. Okay. So if you get too much or not enough black on this one, but you don't want to make another flower because it'll be too much, that's where you add your dots. Just a little bit. It gives you your own authentic look, and no two designs will be the same that way. That's what you want. You want all of your clients to have a design all their own. So I can never do this design again. Well, unless I really start at it and it took a lot of effort. Like I really have to work for it. I would charge you a lot, Compassionista. So, like, no, I can't do that again. Okay, so there's that. When you're finished, it will look like this. And see how this hand already has more black on it than this hand. I already shifted gears a little bit. So I'll add a little bit more to this, and I'll meet you back. Okay, so I can't believe how we just quieted that circus sideshow.
I know.
Do you feel the calm in the air?
Oh.
And here I put a matte top coat just to finish this off. This is a this is a cool thing because like it looks super elegant but also a little edgy because it's all matte. So this is a classic design done in a different way just to give you a little edgier look. I upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. If you copy this, please say hashtag inspired by Robin Moses Nail Art so that other people can find me and I can keep teaching. And am I missing anything? Anyone?
I think you covered it.
I think everything. All right, except for everybody have a wonderful day and I'll see you back with more. Bye.